In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change font color in Microsoft Loop. Whether you're a seasoned user or new to this innovative workspace, adjusting the font color can be a great way to highlight important information or simply add a bit of personality to your documents. Let's dive in and make your text pop with color in just a few simple steps. First, you'll need to open your web browser and search for Microsoft Loop. This tool works seamlessly with Microsoft's ecosystem, offering an easy and efficient way to collaborate. Once you locate the site, go ahead and click on it to open Microsoft Loop. The home page should load quickly, bringing you to all the wonderful possibilities it has to offer. Now, it's time to sign in. Use your Microsoft account credentials. These are typically the same ones you use for Outlook or any other Microsoft service. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to create one, but assuming you're already set up, just enter your username and password. Once you're in, you'll have access to all your existing projects and the necessary tools at your fingertips. Next up, navigate to the document or workspace containing the text you wish to stylize. This could be a document you're currently working on or a shared one where collaboration is key. Carefully highlight the specific text segment you want to change. Just click and drag over the section and you'll see it becomes highlighted, indicating it's ready for the next step. On to the fun part, changing the font color. Look at the formatting toolbar, where you'll notice an option that's often represented by an A with a colorful underline. This is your font color button. Click the drop-down arrow next to it. A wide spectrum of colors will appear, offering you numerous choices to suit your theme or mood. Click the color you prefer and watch your text instantly transform with the selected hue. There's another helpful feature in Microsoft Loop that can make this process even snappier: the mini toolbar. If this feature is enabled, you'll find a condensed version of the main toolbar popping up right above or below your selected text. It has its own font color option, providing you the same variety of color choices with an emphasis on ease of access. This allows you to change the font color directly without moving your cursor far from your selected text, which makes the whole process smoother, especially if you're making frequent edits. And there you have it, a guide to changing font color in Microsoft Loop. It's a simple trick, but one that can greatly enhance the look and feel of your documents. By using these steps, you can creatively express your ideas and ensure that the most important information stands out to your audience. Thanks for watching, and happy editing.